everyone, it's Marissa and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be using the beautiful Amrezy palette to achieve this beautiful look. So if you're interested in seeing how I got this look, then just stay tuned. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching. Please disregard my hair. My hair is like literally out of control lately. I don't know what's going on with it. I need to like deep condition it. As I mentioned in the intro, we're going to use the Amrezy palette. I'm going to do a look that's inspired by Tweely. I believe that's how she pronounces it. Her name on Insta and YouTube is XTHUYLE. And I believe she pronounces it Tweely. But I'm obsessed with her. She does so many cool like Instagram videos of makeup. And she was on a brand trip with Laura Mercier, I think, and she did like this pretty blue look. So I'm gonna try to replicate that. Do I have a picture of it? Oh, she was on like Insta Stories, I think. She was on Insta Stories and she was talking, and I'm like, oh my God, that is gorgeous. So I'm gonna try to do something similar to that using this pretty blue shade. But let me just zoom you guys in. 1988. And I'm going to use a Morphe R33 brush, I believe. The number sort of faded off, so. I'm just gonna bring this into the outer corner, packing it on first, and then once I pack it on, I'm gonna bring it in a little bit. Not gonna bring it in all the way, just a little. And then I don't want anything on my brush. I'm gonna use this little thing I got from Amazon. You just swirl it like so. And then I am going to just sort of blend that out a little bit. Because these are very pigmented, I kind of like to like build rather than like pack a bunch on at once and then like end up with like a mess. So yeah. Okay, and then I'm going to go in with the shade, this is a Sigma E40 brush, and I'm gonna go into the shade it's New Yorker, but she spells it differently, but I just can't pronounce it that way, so I'm gonna just pronounce it New Yorker. And I'm just going to take that, like I said, on a Sigma E40 brush and put that right above the crease. In this, I am gonna bring over more than I did the brown 1988 shade. And I'm just using like windshield wiper motions, going back and forth just to make sure it's all blended before moving on. So I'm gonna go in with the shade Leo right here. And I'm gonna bring this up . So I finished both eyes, and now I'm gonna add some jewels that I got from Amazon. They come in a bunch of different colors, like red, greens, purples, pinks. So cute. But I'm gonna use like these like iridescent ones. How pretty that is. I'm gonna use like some of the little ones. So I'm gonna take a little bit of lash glue on the end of my so I have a couple dots set down. Sorry if I seem a little like out of it today. I'm just sort of like blah. I'm gonna leave it like that. So I'm gonna go put on some false lashes and then I will be right back. So this is the finished look. Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like I said, please give this a thumbs up and subscribe if you'd like. Thank you so much.